2022 election results. First, Goa. Goa has 40 assembly seats and a party needs 21 for forming the government. BJP has won 20 seats and Indian National Congress has won 11 seats. Next, Manipur. Manipur has 60 assembly seats and a party needs 31 for majority and to form the government. BJP has won 32 seats and NPEP has won 7 seats. Next, Punjab. Punjab has 117 assembly seats and a party needs 59 for majority and to form the government. Surprisingly, AAP has won 92 seats and Indian National Congress has fallen to 18 seats only. Next, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has a heavy amount of 403 assembly seats and a party needs to 202 seats to form the government. BJP has won 255 seats and Samajwadi Party has won 111 seats. Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand has 70 seats and a party needs 36 seats to form the government. BJP has won 47 seats and Indian National Congress won 19 seats.